Whatever I'm trying to blend, this brush right here is going to freaking blend it. Today I have my First Morphe order, and I was actually kind of excited about it, just because I see their brushes up here all the time, and they're really affordable for, you know, what you get. The first brush I got is the E14, and it looks like this. This is an eyeshadow brush. I want to say, yes, this is the oval shadow E14. I like it. It's really thick. Like, I really like that. And this is the M330, and this is a blending crease oh Lord Jesus, a blending crease brush. Tongue twister. Most of the brushes that I got were for eyeshadows or something like that, because I really like eyeshadow, and I wear more eyeshadows than I do foundation and stuff like that. So I kind of got what is best for me. I'm kind of like addicted to good brushes and concealer. But this right here is the M441. And this is the Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush. Oh, this was $6. This one I got is the M408. And that is a chisel shader. And this was only $4. There we go. The next one is the M425, and that is a tapered concealer brush, and this was only $3.50. This one is really firm, so I really like it. I'm really gonna like that for kind of like getting up under my eyes and straightening out my brows whenever I decide to throw some on. Now the last two are like my favorite brushes right here. Hey you guys, since you're here, I don't want to tell you guys what to do, but I think you should definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. And while you're thinking about that, think about hitting that notification button too. Alright, I think I said enough. Let's get back to the video. This one right here is the E27 brush, and this was $7. It is a Pro Round Blender brush, and I love blending brushes. And this one right here is just like so big, and I really feel like it is going, whatever I'm trying to blend, this brush right here is going to freaking blend it. Like, as soon as I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I just love this brush. And the last brush that I got, which was the most expensive, but this is like my absolute favorite brush, is the E58 angled buffer powder / contour brush, and this one was $15. Like, as soon as I opened it, it was just like big, and it's soft, and it has like a nice little angle to curve to like go around the curves of your face. Like, this brush, I'm gonna have to buy more. I'm gonna have to buy another one, because I'm gonna wear this brush out. Okay, I'm going to wear this brush out. The highlighter and contour blender beauty sponge, and this one looks like it'll be pretty good, but I don't think that it's gonna be better than my Rihanna one. Like, I love that sponge, but this one has, you know, multiple angles, and it gets really sharp right around here, and this was only $7. So it's at a good price point. Grand Glam Morphe palette with 24 colors. And these are the colors right here. They're kind of like neutrals to me, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this row right here because this is my favorite row of colors, like my absolute favorite. So we are going to swatch those, starting with the first one, which is glossy. Oh, that is some really good color because I'm really not putting my, like, I didn't dig into it or anything, and it was just one swipe. So that is a really good color. The next one is Shaba. Like, it's really not a lot on my hand at all. Ooh, that is so pretty. The next one is Steady. That one's kind of pretty, but I'm really feeling the first two. The next one is Boxy. I like Boxy. Boxy is cute. Boxy is kind of cute. Next one is Magic. Magic actually looks like this one, which is Shaba. They're kind of similar. And the last one is Sunshiny. Sunshiny kind of favors this one, which is Steady. Well, Steady has more pigmentation than Sunshiny, but for 24 colors for $29, that is not bad at all. It's like $1.06 a shadow, and that's not bad at all. But this was my very first order from Morphe. I'm really excited to use these brushes, especially my two favorite ones. So if you guys know of any good brushes that you all have ordered from them, let me know so I can go ahead and take a peek at them. And I probably will add them to my list of more brushes that Morphe is gonna get up out of me. Until the next time, you guys, I will see you guys later, and bye.